Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about making your life on the road safer and more efficient. Remember to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Now, have you ever thought about the safety and security of your trailer? If you're like most people, you probably haven't given it much thought. Well, today, we're going to change that. We're going to talk about a simple yet powerful tool, GPS trackers. This little device here can save you a whole lot of trouble, and here's why. Track your trailer's location. Ever had that mini heart attack when you can't find your trailer? A GPS tracker keeps tabs on your trailer 24/7. Whether it's parked in a crowded place or taken unlawfully, you'll always know where it is. Prevent theft. In case of an unexpected move, some GPS trackers can send you real-time alerts, ensuring you can act fast in case of theft. It's a fantastic way to safeguard your asset. Monitoring maintenance needs. Some advanced trackers provide data about your trailer's health, like tire pressure and brake condition. This helps you stay proactive in maintaining your trailer and avoiding breakdowns. Insurance premium reduction. Some insurance companies offer discounts to those who install GPS trackers in their trailers. Not only does it protect your trailer, but it also saves you money. Impressive, isn't it? All these benefits are packed into this tiny device. Installing a GPS tracker on your trailer can offer peace of mind and save you a lot of potential headaches down the road. It's a small investment that can offer large returns in terms of safety, security, and efficiency. So, why wouldn't you want to keep a virtual eye on your trailer? It's time to upgrade your trailer security with a GPS tracker. To help you out, we have a list of our top GPS tracker picks for your trailer in the description box below. That's it for today, folks. Stay safe and secure on the roads. As always, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. Remember, the road is always smoother with a bit of knowledge. Until next time.